Your school taught you how to memorize, but it never taught you how to think. You spent 12 years in a classroom, took hundreds of exams, but still feel lost when it comes to solving real life problems. But here's the dark truth, it's not a mistake. The education system was never designed to make you as a thinker. It's always designed to make you as a worker. Today I am going to expose the real reason why schools never taught you how to think, and how billionaires like Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and even India's own Narayan Murthy escaped this trap to build their own empires. So by the end of this video, you will not only understand the scam, but also learn a step-by-step method to actually think like a billionaire, even if your school fail you. Let's start with a simple question. Why do classrooms look the same as they did 100 years ago? Rows of benches, a teacher in front, and a bell that tell you when to stop. It's simply because our education system was built during the Industrial Revolution, when country needed obedient factory workers. Workers who could follow the instruction, not question them. This system rewarded memorization, punished creativity, and trained you to wait for permission before taking any action. Think about this. In schools, if you made any mistake, you got punished. But in real life, if you made a smart mistake and learned from it, you grow faster than ever. This is why schools produce employees, not entrepreneurs. If you learn how to think for yourself, you will question everything, from your teacher, from your boss, and from your government. That's dangerous for the system. Now you might say, but is not thinking a part of education? No, what schools call critical thinking is only used for structured problem solving within the boundaries they set. You are seeing a question and limited set of options and a right answer that already exists. But real thinking starts when there is no answer key. When Elon Musk started SpaceX, there is no textbook for how to build reusable rockets as a private company. When Ritesh Agarwal started Oyo, there was no blueprint for how to standardize budget hotels across India. That's the kind of thinking schools never train you for. And here's why. Teaching you to think independently would mean teaching you to question authority. And that would break the entire structure of centralized control in education, jobs, and even politics. So if schools failed you, how do billionaires learn to think? They use something called first principles thinking. It is the same mental model Elon Musk used for creating SpaceX and Tesla. Instead of asking what is the right answer, they ask, what are the fundamental truth of this problem? What assumptions am I making? And what if those assumptions are wrong? When everyone said electric cars was too expensive, Elon Musk broke the problem down into battery cost, material cost, and production efficiency. By solving each part individually, he made electric cars cheaper, while everyone else was stuck thinking that's impossible. An Indian example, Narayan Murthy, founder of Infosys, looked at the software industry in 1980s and saw that American companies needed engineers but found them expensive in the US. So he asked, what if we build an offshore team in India that work remotely to US clients? That simple shift in thinking built a multi-billion-dollar company. In India, students are trained for exams, not the life. Parents measure success by the marks, degree, not the skill. College focus on placement, not the purpose. And the biggest tragedy, our brightest mind often become employees in foreign companies instead of solving India's real problem. We produce more engineers than America and China combined. Yet we still struggle to make a world-class tech product. Why? Because thinking requires practice, and our system, our schools never give it to us. Now here's the part your teacher never told you. You can train your brain to think independently, no matter how old you are. So here's the 5-step billionaire thinking framework. Step 1. Learn to ask better questions. Instead of asking what is the answer, ask what is the real problem. Step 2. Break problems into parts. Like a puzzle, small problems easier to solve. Step 3. Challenge assumptions. Everything you know might be wrong. Step 4. Learn from other industries. Innovation often comes from when you borrowing idea from outside your field. Step 5. Build and test fast. Thinking is useless without action. So start small, fail and learn fast. Practice this daily and you will soon think faster than 99% of people. So here's the truth. Schools never fail you by accident. It was built to make you follower, not leader. But in today's time, the leader, innovator and the billionaire are those who think for themselves. If you want to escape the system's control, you must re-educate yourself. Stop waiting for permissions and start asking better questions. Because in the real world, the people who think win, the rest just follow. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If this video hit you, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.